How to enable multiple PCs to use GMC. The two PCs need to be configured to access each other via the internet, with one assigned a static IP to act as the server. Check the local PC's IPv4 address and record it. The remote PC need to use it to log in. Add accounts and user info with the user type remote in the GMC server. Add panels and panel info, check and select proper port number, set the baud rate to 9600. Start the panel. Start the account. Open the GMC software on the local PC, select Login, enter the username and password of the local account, and then log in. Open the GMC software on the remotely operated computer. Select Login. Enter the server IP. Enter the username and password of the remote account, and then log in. Now, the remote account logged in successfully, we can test it. Press the reset button in GMC software. The panel receives the command and completes reset successfully.